Good day everyone, my name is Denise Dominguez from the STM2A and today I'm gonna demonstrate the reservation process through telephone. Hi, good morning. Thank you for calling Paradise Hotel. This is Denise Dominguez from Reservation Department. How may I help you?
Yes, good morning. I would like to have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Anna Florendo.
On what time and you will arrive, ma'am?
Yes, I would like to have a reservation on June 13 at 10 o'clock a.m.
How many days do you want to stay in our hotel, ma'am?
I want to stay 3 days, 2 nights, please.
Okay, ma'am. Could you please wait for a moment? Let me check if there are available room on that day. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
I want to have double room, please.
May I have your address, ma'am?
051 Makati Street, Laguna.
May I have your contact number, ma'am?
My number is 0929-967-2437.
Passport, ma'am, or any valid IDs?
Yes, I do have a passport. And my passport number is 0957-21305.
Okay, ma'am. What do you want to settle your account? Through cash or credit card?
Yes, I prefer cash, please.
Okay, ma'am. We have to settle down payment first.
Okay, I'll send it through credit card.
Do you have any special requests?
Yes, I want to have my room on the top floor.
For the confirmation of your reservation, your name is Yana Eusebio. Expected time of arrival is June 13, 10 a.m. You 3 days and 2 nights. And you will staying in a single town. And your passport number, ma'am, is 05321 and your contact number is 0957-832 and 09. Calling, ma'am. Have a nice day.
I have reservation under my name, Ian Florendo.
My name is Florendo. Welcome to the Paradise Hotel. Let me check your reservation. Offer complimentary shower service delivery. I have it on you. You will stay 3 days and 2 nights, right, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
Ma'am, your number is 302.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please, in the name of Florendo.
Total booking is 37,500. Can I have your key? Yes. Is there anything else I